In this video, I am going to teach double angle formula. Clear? Double means twice. After that, we have to study triple angle formula. We have also half angle formula. This is angle formula. This is double angle. This is triple angle. This is half angle. Clear? Angle, double angle, triple angle, half angle. But we have to study about double angle. First of all, going to write formula of double angle for sin cos tan. Then here sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta and cos theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Second, for cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta, and 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Next is tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? This is very important. This is very important formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is the value in the terms of cos theta of cos 2 theta. This is the value of cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta. And this is both in terms cos and sin, here tan theta, and tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? Now, going to prove this one, how we can write this formula to this form. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? 2 tan means what? Sin theta upon cos theta whole upon sin square theta upon cos square theta, and 2 sin theta upon cos theta. Now going to take LCM here. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, and here cos square theta. Clear? Now cos square theta multiply by sin theta means 2 sin theta into cos square theta, and cos square theta plus sin square is equal to 1 means here cos theta. This cos theta cancelled by this square, 2 sin theta and cos theta is equal to 1 sin 2 theta. Clear? In this way we can prove all the formula, and this is question in class 10th and 9th, but here this is formula. Clear? Sometime few questions are question only in other class, and sometime few questions as a formula. Clear? Means now here this is formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta and is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta in the terms of cos, in the terms of sin, in the terms of both cos and sin, and in the terms of tan. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? Suppose that if we have to find sec 2 theta, how we can find? This sec 2 theta we have to change into cos theta. Cos means 1 upon cos 2 theta. Suppose that we have to find cosec 2 theta, we have to change 1 by sin 2 theta. Understood? And cos 2 theta is equal to what? 1 upon tan 2 theta. Means if this type sec 2 theta cosec 2 theta, cot 2 theta, clear, are given in any question. It is not compulsory, not necessary. We will learn all the formula of sec 2 theta, cos 2 theta and cot 2 theta. Only it is enough for you. Means for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan theta. And all this value we have to change into this form. Means sec 2 theta means 1 by cos 2 theta. With the help of cos 2 theta, we can find sec 2 theta. With the help of sin 2 theta, we can find cosec 2 theta. And with the help of tan 2 theta, we can find cot 2 theta. Understood? Then you have to maintain, you have to learn this much formula. Clear? These are very, very important for you. Very, very. So many times I have used during differentiation and integration also. This is not new formula. Clear? This is old formula. Old means this is very important formula here. Now going to do questions. Going to solve question here. Prove that under root 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x is equal to tan x. Clear? This is question number 1. In this questions, prove that, PT means prove that under root 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x is equal to tan x. Now going to take left hand side. 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. Now we have 2, 3 formula of cos 2x. Then here plus 1, here also plus 1. Now 1 minus 2 sin square x. Because we have to cancel this 1 whole upon 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we can open the bracket. 1 minus 1 cancel here, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 sin square x upon 2 cos square x is equal to what? 2 cancel here, this 2. Under root sin square x upon cos square x is equal to what? Tan square x is equal to what? Tan x is equal to right hand side. Clear? Hence proof. Clear? Therefore left hand side is equal to right side. Hence proof. Understood? Very simple. With the help of sin theta, sin 2 theta, we can prove so many questions. Now see this question here. Second question, prove that tan 45 degree plus a by 2 is equal to cos of a upon 1 minus sin of a. Understood? Now going to take left hand side here. Tan 45 degree plus a by 2. Tan a plus b is equal to what? Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Understood? Clear? Because we have formula tan a plus b, tan a minus b in previous video. Already we have done so many questions based on this formula. Now what is value of tan 45? 1. Tan a by 2. 1 minus tan a by 2. Understood? Now going to change this value into sin and cos. 1 plus sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2. 1 minus sin a by 2 upon cos of a by 2. Understood? Now going to take LCM here. Cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 whole upon cos a by 2 and cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 also whole upon a by 2. A by 2 consider this a by 2. Now cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 whole upon cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. Okay, till here very simple, value will come. But what we have to prove? You see here, cos a upon 1 minus sin a. Cos a upon 1 minus sin. It means multiply by conjugate of cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Then cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 and whole upon cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 and whole square. Very simple. Now a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is equal to what? Is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. A minus b whole square is equal to what? Cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2 minus 2 cos a by 2 and sin a by 2. Now if here cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, same formula here also for half angle. Half means theta by 2 and theta by 2 means what? Here cos theta. The cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta. Clear? Then right here cos a whole upon this is 1 minus 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 is equal to what? Sin a. Now this is a right hand side. Clear? Now we can see here cos a upon 1 minus sin a. Very simple. Once more going to explain. We have to prove this value is equal to this one. Tan 45 degree plus a by 2 means tan a plus b. With the help of tan a plus b, we can obtain this value. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Here 1 also here. Now this total value we have to change into sin and cos. Now here changed. Then cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2 whole upon cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2. This cos a by 2 cancelled by this cos a by 2. Now cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. Now multiply by this value. This value means cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Then cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2, cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 means a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. And here a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this is cos a, this is 1 minus this value is sin a. Therefore this means finally comes cos a upon 1 minus sin a, means right hand side. Hence 2. Understood?